10 grooming habits every man should start in his 30s. All right, so let's talk. You hit 30, and now things start to shift. You're not a kid anymore. People start looking at you different. Women look at you different. Hell, you start looking at yourself different. So let me give you the playbook. These are 10 grooming habits, grown man habits, that you need to start doing right now to level up. Not just to look better, but to show up better. 1. Wash your face like a man who owns his face. Look, splashing water on your face and calling it a day? That was cool in college. But now, you need to cleanse twice a day, morning, night, no debate. Use a proper cleanser, one that fits your skin type. Dry, get something hydrating. Oily, go for a gel. Sensitive, there's something for that too. Clean skin ain't just about looks, it's hygiene, bro. Respect your face. You're going to be wearing it for the next 50 years. Number 2, moisturizer with SPF, daily. No excuses. Let me tell you something that most dudes overlook. The sun is frying your skin every single day. You walk to the store, you pump gas, you drive with the window down. UV rays don't care if you're on vacation or just running errands. That's why you slap on a moisturizer with SPF every morning. Not greasy sunscreen. Nah, just a smooth, lightweight one that protects you and keeps your face from looking like a leather wallet at 42. 3, use a retinol at night. Future, you will be grateful. Look, I know retinol sounds like something your girl keeps in the bathroom cabinet, but trust me on this, it's a cheat code. Retinol helps your skin rebuild itself while you sleep. It smooths out fine lines, evens the tone, and just gives your face that clean, polished look. You use it 2 or 3 nights a week, right after you wash up. Then moisturize. That's it. Nothing crazy. In 5 years, when your homies are looking tired and you're still glowing, you'll know why. 4, nose and ear hair. Don't let that be you, bruh. Listen, I shouldn't even have to say this, but here we are. Trim your damn nose and ear hair regularly. The older you get, the more those wild strays start showing up. You think people aren't noticing, but they are. Trust me, you're not your granddad. Get a trimmer. Take 60 seconds once a week. Keep it tight. Don't let one rogue hair kill the whole vibe. 5, groom that beard or that stubble like it's a statement. Whether you got a full beard, a goatee, or that crisp stubble, treat it like it's part of your outfit. Don't just let it grow wild. Wash it with beard shampoo. Throw in some oil so it doesn't feel like steel wool. Brush it. Line it up. No beard? Cool. Then shave right. Fresh razor, warm water, good cream, and a smooth aftershave to finish. Look, facial hair is like shoes. You don't want it to be the reason someone thinks you don't take care of yourself. 6, upgrade your hair routine or your barber. This one right here, this is where boys get separated from men. You can't just be using 2-in-1 shampoo anymore. That cheap drugstore bottle? Nah, toss it. Your hair changes in your 30s. Might start thinning, receding, getting drier. Whatever it is, adapt. Use sulfate-free shampoo 2 or 3 times a week. Condition it, style it with purpose. And for the love of everything, get a real barber. One who knows your head like a blueprint. Your haircut should tell a story before you even speak. Exfoliate. Reset the skin, not just the day. Every week your skin builds up dead cells, and if you don't exfoliate, it starts looking dull, like lifeless. Use a chemical exfoliant, glycolic acid, lactic acid, something gentle. Once or twice a week, it's like a reset button. You don't need to scrub your face like you're washing tires. Just be consistent. It smooths you out, clears clogged pores, and gives you that clean glow that says, yeah, I take care of myself. Number 8, oral hygiene. That mouth is part of the outfit. You can have the best style, fresh cologne, good skin, but if your breath is kicking, game over. Brush twice a day for real, like really brush. 2 minutes, floss every night. Use a mouthwash. Go to the damn dentist. Fresh breath and clean teeth, that's basic man hygiene. Not optional. Women notice. Clients notice. People feel it when you speak. Clean mouth equals clean confidence. 9, keep your hands and nails on point. Now here's something most guys don't even think about. Your hands. You're shaking hands, handing over credit cards, reaching across dinner tables. If your nails are dirty or crusty, that's a turnoff, period. Keep them trimmed, file them if you need to, clean under the nails. Use a little lotion if your hands are dry. You don't need a manicure. Just don't be that guy. Clean hands say I pay attention to the details. 10, find your signature scent and stick to it. Last one, your scent. Scent is memory. Scent is presence. The right cologne can announce you quietly. It's one of the most slept on parts of being unforgettable. Pick something clean, masculine, modern, woody, spicy, or aquatic, whatever feels like you. Spray it on your neck, wrist, chest, no more than 2 spritzes. Less is more. And once you find your signature scent, stick with it. Let it become part of your identity. All right, let's recap. These 10 grooming habits, they're not just about looking good. They're about becoming the kind of man who takes care of himself. Because once you start leveling up, people will treat you different. Doors open, confidence grows. And trust me, the work you put in now, it pays off heavy later. So start today. Just one habit, then stack another. This is the groomed life. We don't just groom for looks. We groom for lifestyle, for presence, and for power. If you're with that, tap in. More coming soon.